Amazon's huge Labor Day weekend sale is about to end, but you don't have to worry because we have spent thousands of hours to save you time and picked out the best deals that can actually save you some serious money. Just watch this video till the end and I promise you're going to find a deal that's worth grabbing. All the mentioned deals links are in the description below, so go and check out before it's too late. Number 30. URBANMAX electric scooter, save up to 46%, now priced at $389, down from the list price of $720. It comes with a 550 watt motor and a long-lasting battery, letting you travel up to 18.6 miles per hour and cover around 20 miles on a single charge. The metal body is strong and it can carry riders weighing up to 265 pounds. The LCD screen keeps you informed throughout your ride, showing battery status, current speed, chosen speed mode, distance for the current trip, and total miles traveled. Considering all these features, this scooter is an excellent bargain at this price. Number 29. Allwei Power Station, save up to 51%, now priced at $123, down from the list price of $249. It has a 280 watt-hour capacity and a 300 watt output, along with a quiet cooling fan and a 3-level LED light with SOS mode. You can recharge it using a wall outlet, your car, or a solar panel. Weighing just 6 pounds, it's compact and easy to carry. The generator uses high-quality lithium-ion batteries to keep you and your devices safe, supporting up to 1,500 charge cycles. Number 28. Toshiba Class C350, save up to 46%, now priced at $189, down from the list price of $349. Toshiba's LED upscaling technology brings full HD content close to 4K quality. Instead of just duplicating pixels, it analyzes surrounding colors and textures to produce sharper, more natural images. Motion processing keeps fast-moving scenes crisp and clear, making every action sequence easy to follow. The viewing experience is smooth and immersive. Customers love the vibrant colors, impressive sound, simple setup, and excellent value this LED TV provides. Number 27. Beats Studio Pro, save up to 49%, now priced at $179, down from the list price of $349. Beats headphones deliver rich, immersive sound with their custom acoustic platform. Enjoy lossless audio via USB-C and 3 built-in sound profiles. Switch between adaptive active noise canceling or transparency mode and experience 360-degree spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. One-touch pairing works with Apple and Android devices. Up to 40 hours of battery life, plus a quick 10-minute fast fuel charge gives 4 extra hours. On sale now, don't miss it. Number 26. COWSAR Ice Maker, save up to 49%, now priced at $35, down from the list price of $69. This ice maker features a powerful compressor for fast and efficient ice production. It can create 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, producing up to 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours. Simply fill the 1.2-liter water tank and press on to start. The indicator light alerts you when water is low, and a 5-second press of the on button activates the self-cleaning function. Number 25. Gel Memory Foam Mattress, save up to 44%, now priced at $89, down from the list price of $159. Here you got a big sale on this gel memory foam mattress. It's a bit thicker and firmer than regular mattresses, giving your whole body even support. The gel layer keeps things cool so you can drift off faster and helps the mattress last longer. At 8 inches thick with 2 inches of memory foam, it bounces back easily and stays fresh with simple cleaning. Number 24. Kenmore 20.5 cubic feet refrigerator, save up to 36%, now priced at $699, down from the list price of $1,099. Next up, this 33-inch fridge is back on our list because it's simply too good to miss, especially at this sale price. With a roomy 20.5 cubic feet of storage, there's plenty of space for all your groceries. The adjustable glass shelves make room for larger items, while 3 clear door bins are perfect for gallon jugs and condiments. 2 freezer bins help keep smaller frozen items organized, and 2 humidity-controlled crispers keep your produce fresh longer. Number 23. Jump Starter, save up to 50%, now priced at $49, down from the list price of $99. This portable car jumper delivers a powerful 5,000 amp peak current, quickly starting 12-volt vehicles even when the battery is extremely low, thanks to its built-in boost function. On a single charge, it can jump jumpstart a car up to 50 times. More than just a jump starter, it also works as a portable tire inflator, a 20,000 milliamp hour power bank, an LED flashlight, and an SOS emergency light. Number 22. Werhy electric scooter. Save up to 44%, now priced at $179, down from the list price of $319. The H5 electric scooter features a 350-watt brushless motor for a smooth and speedy ride, reaching up to 19 miles per hour. It can travel up to 15 miles on a single charge, with a fast 3 to 4 hour recharge using its 36-volt, 5.2 amp hour battery. Safety is a priority with a dual braking system, rear drum brake, and front ABS regenerative anti-lock brake. Number 21. AceMagic Laptop. Save up to 77%, now priced at $349, down from the list price of $1,499. The 17-inch laptop features a sleek, thin bezel display, giving you more screen space for immersive full HD viewing. It's powered by the latest 12th generation Alder Lake N97 processor, offering significantly higher performance than Celeron N5095. With 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and a 512 gigabyte SSD, multitasking is smooth and efficient. A 6,000 milliamp hour battery provides up to 5 hours of use, letting you work or play anywhere. Number 20. Aoben hammered drill. Save up to 50%, now priced at $54, down from the list price of $109. Right now, heavy tools like this are also on big sale. This drill features a 13 amp, 1,500 watt motor that delivers powerful impact for tough jobs on concrete, masonry, and metal. It offers 3 easy to switch modes: hammer only, hammer drill, and drill only. Double switch buttons last longer than single switches, and the ergonomic design with a rubber grip and 360-degree adjustable handle ensures comfortable use. Number 19. Air Purifier. Save up to 70%, now priced at $59, down from the list price of $199. This air purifier effectively refreshes spaces up to 1,500 square feet with 360-degree airflow, circulating air up to 5 times per hour in a 300 square foot room. Its premium HEPA filter captures 99% of particles, keeping air clean and healthy. Whisper quiet sleep mode runs at just 20 decibels for undisturbed rest. Number 18. Stick vacuum cleaner. Save up to 57%, now priced at $29, down from the list price of $68. This corded stick vacuum makes cleaning simple with one-touch operation and powerful 20,000 pascal suction. It comes with a floor brush, square brush, and crevice tool for hardwood floors and tight corners. You can use it as a handheld vacuum for tricky spots. With its corded design, you get unlimited cleaning time. No need to recharge or swap batteries. Number 17. Smart Power Bank. Save up to 85%, now priced at $29, down from the list price of $199. This portable charger delivers 22.5 watt two-way quick charging, taking your iPhone 15 to 75% in just 30 minutes, 5 times faster than regular power banks. Its 40,000 milliamp hour high-density lithium polymer battery is compact and lightweight, easily fitting in your pocket. Ideal for travel or everyday use, it recharges fully via USB-C for hassle-free convenience. Number 16. Cordless paint sprayer. Save up to 53%, now priced at $28, down from the list price of $59. So next one is this cordless paint sprayer, which spins at 90,000 RPM and comes with a large capacity container to make painting faster and easier. Adjustable flow control handles different tasks, while the upgraded motor with temperature protection prevents overheating and lasts longer. The durable brass nozzle resists clogs and is easy to clean, and the double insulated jacket keeps operations safe and worry-free. Number 15. NEVERLAND Tire Inflator. Save up to 78%, now priced at $19, down from the list price of $89. This one on sale now. Pump up your car tires in just 1 minute, from 30 to 36 PSI, with precise pressure control and automatic shutoff. The built-in 20,000 milliamp hour battery also doubles as a phone or tablet charger. Portable and easy to use, it features a bright LCD screen, LED work light, flashlight, and a handy storage bag. Perfect for keeping in your car for any emergency. Number 14, electric curtains opener. Save up to 58%, now priced at $58, down from the list price of $140. These electric curtains with remote control let you open and close your drapes effortlessly from anywhere in the room. Ready to use right out of the box, they offer customizable silent and power modes to suit day or night. Silent mode runs at a whisper quiet 25 decibels. With the built-in scheduling feature, the curtains can automatically open in the morning to let in sunlight and close at night for privacy and light control. Number 13, Carplay wireless touchscreen. Save up to 43%, now priced at $39, down from the list price of $69. This portable car stereo lets you enjoy wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, giving easy access to music, maps, messages, and hands-free calls. Just connect your phone via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or USB, and you can even use voice commands with Siri or Google Assistant for a safer, more convenient drive. Installation is simple. An adhesive mount lets you attach it to your dashboard in minutes, adjustable up to 90 degrees. Number 12, Samsung Galaxy Tab, a 9 Plus, save up to 39%, now priced at $134, down from the list price of $219. Big screen, big fun. The Galaxy Tab A9 Plus has an 11-inch screen that's perfect for videos, games, or family entertainment. Quad speakers with Dolby Atmos deliver rich, clear sound for music, shows, and games. With options like 4GB RAM plus 64GB or 8GB RAM plus 128GB, plus up to 1TB expandable storage, you've got plenty of space for apps, videos, and more. Multitask easily with multiple apps open at once. Number 11, flexispot standing desk. Save up to 44%, now priced at $99, down from the list price of $179. This desk not only looks sleek, but also offers a strong, stable surface for work. The smooth electric lift lets you adjust the height easily from about 28 to 46 inches, with a quiet motor running under 50 decibels for a peaceful workspace. With 4 memory presets, you can save your favorite heights and switch between sitting and standing quickly, helping reduce back and neck strain from long hours of sitting. Number 10, bread maker machine. Save up to 41%, now priced at $99, down from the list price of $168. This bread machine makes baking easy with 17 automatic programs for everything from basic loaves and whole wheat bread to cakes, jam, yogurt, and gluten-free options. Its 360-degree heat ensures golden, crispy crusts and soft, fluffy interiors every time. The powerful 600-watt motor bakes quickly, and it runs quietly at just 50 decibels. The 15-hour delay timer and keep warm feature mean fresh bread is ready. Number 9, AI smartwatch. Save up to 85%, now priced at $29, down from the list price of $199. This smartwatch has ChatGPT built in, so you can get quick answers, translations, or even help with wellness using your voice or typing. It also tracks your fitness, including heart rate, blood oxygen, steps, calories, distance, and workout time. With its built-in speaker and microphone, you can make and take calls right from the watch, making it easy to stay connected and active. Number 8, digital coffee maker. Save up to 51%, now priced at $19, down from the list price of $40. We all need coffee, and that's why this coffee maker made the list. Its 12-cup carafe is sturdy, with clear measurement markings and a handle that's easy to hold. You can pour a cup before the brew is finished without any spills. The front window shows exactly how much water is inside. The 24-hour auto brew makes coffee ready when you want, and the 2-hour auto shutoff keeps things safe. Number 7, Pericat Smart Projector. Save up to 41%, now priced at $99, down from the list price of $169. Bring the cinema home or take it outdoors with this 1080p projector that also supports 4K. It delivers sharp, vivid images while being easy on your eyes. Dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make streaming fast and lag-free. Enjoy a massive 50 to 200 inch display with keystone correction for the perfect view. Built-in hi-fi stereo speakers provide clear sound, or plug in external speakers for even better audio. audio. Number 6. Lefant Robot Vacuum. Save up to 62%, now priced at $139, down from the list price of $369. With advanced DTOF navigation, this robot vacuum scans up to 15 meters to plan smart cleaning routes, covering large areas efficiently without missing spots or repeating work. When vacuuming, it automatically boosts suction for a deep clean on all surfaces. The 200 milliliter refillable water tank and washable mop pad make mopping easy, saving both time and space while keeping your floor spotless. Number 5. Anker Prime Charging Station. Save up to 45%, now priced at $59, down from the list price of $109. We all rely on our devices, and this Anker power strip makes charging simple. Its innovative stacked design and pop-up outlet keep it slim at just 0.7 inches, while still letting you charge up to 6 devices at once. Perfect for home or travel. The smart display shows real-time charging info, and Active Shield 2.0 runs millions of daily safety checks to keep your devices protected. Number 4. RedTiger Dash Cam. Save up to 43%, now priced at $85, down from the list price of $149. This dual dash cam records in Ultra HD 4K and Full HD, capturing every detail like road signs and license plates. The front camera has a 170-degree wide angle, and the rear camera covers 140 degrees, helping reduce blind spots and keep important footage in case of an accident. It also performs great at night thanks to a high-quality lens with a large aperture and HDR/WDR technology, ensuring clear details even in low light. Number 3. Leg Massager. Save up to 50%, now priced at $69, down from the list price of $139. This leg massager has 3 heating levels, 6 massage modes, 3 intensities, and 3 timers, giving you effective relief for soreness, poor circulation, or swelling, at about 40% less than competitors. Its smart LCD controller remembers your last setting, so you don't have to reset it each time. The zip-on design is quick and secure, fits most leg sizes, and makes daily use easy and comfortable for everyone. Number 2. American Tourister Luggage. Save up to 50%, now priced at $173, down from the list price of $347. This suitcase combines style and practicality with a sleek barrel shape and metallic finish. Its textured ABS shell makes it durable, while the adjustable trolley handle is comfortable to use. Smooth, wear-tested wheels make rolling easy and stable, and the large zipper pulls open and close easily. It's a reliable and comfortable choice for everyday travel, and right now the price is the lowest, so grab it before it ends. Number 1. Lisen Retractable Car Charger. Save up to 39%, now priced at $16, down from the list price of $27. This 4-in-1 retractable car charger combines compact design with powerful performance. The 180-degree rotating plug fits standard 12-volt vehicle sockets, and the retractable cord extends up to 31.5 inches. It works with both Android and iPhone devices, including fast USB-C charging. With a 30-watt PD USB-C port, a 12-watt USB-A port, and other charging options, it can power up to 4 devices at once. Dual retractable cables help keep your car neat, and it charges devices quickly and conveniently. So with this, we are at the end of our video. Go and check the links now. Don't wait too long. Deals like these won't be there for so long. Thank you for watching.